Moderate to severe eczema or atopic dermatitis affects one's quality of life in such severe ways. For me, it was a lack of sleep. Atopic dermatitis is the most common form of eczema. It often is characterized by dry skin, and this dry skin can result in patches that are extremely itchy and red, and sometimes even they can ooze, become scaly, and very rough. My eczema is so itchy and my skin really disturbs me at night that I constantly wake up wanting to scratch. And what happens is it becomes a vicious cycle. I scratch and scratch and scratch until I bleed. And then the next morning when I wake up, my skin is uncomfortable, it's oozing, and it's hard for me to want to get in the shower and even get ready to go to work. And also, like anything, sleep deprivation really impacts the way you can focus, your quality of work that you produce. No matter what job you have, it is important to have a good night's rest. I often felt like I just wanted to stay in bed and not even move a muscle. So I called in sick a lot, and that became a bit of a problem with some employers. And this I find is very common amongst eczema sufferers.